Working on furniture is much easier when you have sawhorses that are appropriately designed for the task. Today, we're going to show you how to make a simple pair for your own shop or home workspace. Upholstery sawhorses are much lower than those used for other tasks. This helps bring furniture to a comfortable working height. They also have a shallow tray so the furniture won't slide off while we're working. We upholster the tops in fabric to protect wood legs from getting dinged or scratched. Additionally, this style of sawhorse stacks well and can easily be broken down for transport or storage. Okay, so the secret ingredient to our sawhorse here really is a bracket kit that you can buy. This is the part number, and this is going to get us most of the way on our sawhorse. So let me open it up here and show you what's inside here. Explain this. Okay, so here's how this is going to work: is that we have this great big bracket, and then a companion part down here that's going to trap our legs here and here with a great big bolt. In order to put our basic sawhorse together, we need to drill holes in the top board for our bracket bolts, and we need to be very precise. I'm marking carefully 2 inches in from each end in the center of the board. If you're drilling by hand like me, be careful to drill straight down. If you have a drill press, that's even better. If this hole is crooked, we'll struggle to make the bracket fit together properly. Now it's time to modify our basic sawhorse for the upholstery shop. We're using 1x3 lumber to make a tray around our top board. Since our top is a 36-inch 2x4, I'm cutting 36-inch pieces for the long sides and 5-inch pieces for the short sides. If you modified dimensions, just measure the top of your sawhorse. I'm also going to drill pilot holes for our screws since I'll be right on the edge of our 1x3s and I don't want anything to split. You might prefer to use a wood screw, but I actually have the best luck with plain old drywall screws. All that's left to do is to upholster the tray on our sawhorse. Any sturdy fabric remnant will do. This doesn't have to look perfect, so it's a good chance to practice your fabric handling skills. I like to start by stapling down into the tray. Then I'll wrap, fold, trim, and staple until all my edges are covered. It's like wrapping a very strange present. Hooray! This sawhorse is ready to report for duty. And remember, you actually need to build 2.